friends, welcome to my channel.
In this video, we are going to find bond of a hydrogen molecule. So for that, first we have to know how many electrons are there in hydrogen molecule. So H2, first we have to know the atomic number of hydrogen, H. So atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So there are 2 hydrogen atoms here. So it will be 1 plus 1, that will be 2. There are 2 electrons in this particular hydrogen. Now, there are 2 electrons. So, we have to consider it as less than 14 electrons molecular diagram. So, diagrams are 2 types. There is more than 14 electrons diagram and less than 14 electrons molecular diagram. So, I am doing less than 14 electrons molecular diagram as hydrogen just have 2 electrons. And we have in this video, we are also going to find the bond order of this hydrogen atom, and we are going to see how many bonds does this hydrogen molecule has, and we are going to check the magnetic nature of this hydrogen molecule and the electronic configuration of this. First, let us find how many electrons are there in antibonding as well as bonding. So hydrogen has 2 electrons, and according to the Ravanel diagram, in each circle there will be 2 electrons. There are 2 electrons will be filled. So bonding, we have to start from downside. So bonding, there will be 1 electron filled and another electron anti-balancing, balanced and anti-balancing. So there are 2 electrons filled, completed. So that is what the bond order of hydrogen. So hydrogen bond order. So bond order, we have one formula, that is BO is equals to half into NB minus NA. So here NB is nothing but bonding and NA is nothing but anti-bonding. And also we are going to check the stability of hydrogen atom in this video. So anti-bonding you see 0, it is not filled at all. But bonding at least 2 electrons are filled. So bond order will be, I am going to solve this here. Bond order BO will be equal to half into NB minus NA. That means half into bonding. We have seen 2 electrons filled. Anti-bonding 0. So just write 0 minus 0. And half into, so that will be 1. So let us also write the bond for this. So hydrogen has single bond. Hydrogen has single bond. And next we are going to write the electronic configuration. We know according to molecular diagram, the down part is nothing but sigma 1s. As it is bonding, it is just sigma. So it will be sigma 1s. As I told you, we are also going to find the magnetic nature. So you see no electron is left alone. In each and every circle, you see that there are 2 electrons filled. So there is only 1 electron filled, that is also completely filled. So it is diamagnetic in nature. So hydrogen is diamagnetic in nature. Next thing, I also told you that let us check the stability of this. So here you see that the bonding has 2 electrons and anti-bonding has 0 electrons. So here which is greater, bonding or anti-bonding? So bonding is greater than anti-bonding. So hydrogen is stable. That's it.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.